Hey everyone. Well, we're at it again. We got some major snow coming down. Um, this is our second now snowstorm of the year, and this one is going to be a lot worse than the first one. The first one was nothing compared to this one that we're gonna have. So I just wanted to show everybody wonderful New England in its finest. Pine trees up there. I love looking at those pine trees. They're so huge. But everything is it's the wind. The wind is whipping like crazy with the snow coming down. So, but once again, it's very, very pretty when it's falling and it's fresh snow, all clean. Well, I hope everybody's staying safe if you're near where I live and you're getting this snow. Stay inside, stay warm and safe, and I will talk to you later. I'll probably come on like when it's a final ending of the snow just to see how much we did get. But it's coming down like crazy. And the kids are all out of school again. So they are getting a little stir crazy, and they can't even go out and play in this because the wind is terrible. It's too cold for them to go out. So that's what I just wanted to show. Big snow. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.